Apple's iPhone 11, whether it's called that or the iPhone 11 or iPhone X2, could launch as soon as September, meaning we may already be close to the official release date. The timing for the new iPhone shouldn't surprise anyone. Apple's smartphone-focused keynotes routinely take place in early September. That's news for no one. Update: a leaked image gives us another look at the front of the three upcoming iPhone models and suggests that the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Plus will have slimmer screen surrounds than the iPhone 9. Two more telltale signs that we're reaching an iPhone X sequel. The product red iPhone 8 and iOS 11.4 have been out for a while, signaling that we're beyond the midlife cycle for both Apple's phone hardware and software. The iPhone 11 is rumored to be arriving alongside two other iPhones, but exactly what they'll all be called, and offer, remains to be seen. And now, it's looking like we may get the iPhone 9, iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Plus, names TBC. When will the iPhone 11 launch? What new features will it have? And will it still have a notch? Let's investigate what we expect from Apple's new iPhone in 2018. We have every reason to believe that the iPhone 11 will launch in early September, as Apple tends to stick to a schedule with its phone launches. It also has to keep pace with the iPhone upgrade program so everyone renews with them. More specifically, based on past launches, it will probably be announced 1 or 2 weeks into September. Apple's phones usually arrive in stores a couple of weeks later, so late September is probably when you'll be able to buy the iPhone 11. Sure, the iPhone X took longer to ship, but that was rumored to be down to delays in producing components, so unless Apple wishes to artificially hold back the new X, possibly to create demand, chances are the iPhone 11 will appear in September 2018. Indeed, it's rumored that Apple might begin trial production of the iPhone 11 in the second quarter of 2018, which is earlier than usual and said to be precisely to prevent the delays we saw last year. iPhone 11 price: a lot, likely around the same as the iPhone X, $999, £999, 1,579 Australian dollars. Even without the official iPhone 11 price, we know it'll cost a lot. After all, Apple priced the iPhone X starting at $999, £999, 1,579 Australian dollars. We could see identical prices for the iPhone 11. Apple reportedly managed to reduce the cost of some components by 10%, a saving which could be passed on to buyers. It may also quit bundling a headphone adapter with its new phones to further reduce costs, some analysts predict. But we're not holding out for a cheap iPhone 11. Instead, Apple may be planning to release a phone with many of the iPhone X's features at a lower price, alongside a premium model, according to multiple sources. We're calling this the iPhone 9 for now, and it may have a cheaper LCD display. It's an intriguing proposition, though early adopters are likely still going to be more interested in the iPhone 11. iPhone 11 video renders. Apple's premium iPhone for 2018 may come in two sizes, an iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Plus, and there are already video renders of what the iPhone 11 Plus version may look like. This version and these CAD schematics acquired by MySmartPrice and on leaks are said to be based on iPhone with a 6.5-inch screen, while the normal-sized iPhone 11 may get a 5.8-inch OLED display size we saw with the iPhone X. Everything looks the same, on the outside, down to the dual-lens camera on the back. But we're fully expecting Apple to give the iPhone 11 some internal surprises,